Hi, I'm Roberta Massey-Birch. I'm the stylist assistant for the Emma Watson shoot for InStyle. The concept behind it is a 1950s cupcake candy chic type look. So everything is quite sort of candy pink, very, very girly look. So it's this one, which kind of resembles a cupcake in a way, which I love. And then this one is the Gucci, and that will be our first look. We have a lot more accessories, I think, today than we usually do for the shoots, because the idea is sort of lots of bejeweled, beautiful brooches, things like that. Beautiful little nurse watches almost.
Hi, I'm Elle Sims. I'm on the Emma Watson shoot today for InStyle. The hair's going to have a 50s feel. It will have a slight wave to it, but it's not literal, it's not big, it's just simple, just tailored for her really, just so she looks really gorgeous and pretty.
So much fun. Going to eat for lunch now.
Which is your favourite outfit?
Really hard. I do love this dress. That one really, really cool. And actually just the whole setup of this shot with the like fan as well, it's really pretty.
Hi, I'm Andrew Gallimore, makeup artist for Emma Watson on the InStyle shoot. We've done a very thin black eyeline flick, a bit of a corner eyelash to make it all a bit feline, but kept it really natural, very clear skin, a really light foundation base, brought out the radiance in her cheeks with a bit of pearlescence and bronzer, and then we're just alternating the lip for various different outfits, all on a sort of orangey coral tone.